Standard value in statistics. Now, we found so many, right? The last time. Okay, now, first one, mean, right there. So, mode, median, which is second quartile. Okay, then range, the highest value minus the lowest value, right? Okay, then the Q1, which is the quartile 1, so which is lower quartile, 138. So upper quartile, which is Q3. So we found those things out right here. See? Fantastic. Now we can plot this one on graph, okay? So we have so many graphs, like a circle graph, bar graph, horizontal, vertical, things like that. Now, today, we're going to enjoy one toy right here. That's right. So, stem, leaf. In other words, stem and leaf plots. That's it. Now, I put a line in the middle. Then the left-hand side, I'm going to use this one as stems. So the right hand side, leaves. Okay, so leaf right there. Then you know what I mean. The tree has a stem, it's a main body, and we have branches. Okay, that's what we call like leaves. Okay, so like leaves and branches, things like that. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna use stem. Oh, everything has, that's right. You can see, 135, 137. Oh, so I'm going to use 13. How about that? 13 on the left-hand side. What about, one more. So 14, which is 140, right? That's a stem, see? You can decide like that. That's up to you. The right-hand side, I can say, that's right, 130, what? 5, right? Okay, 5 right here. Okay, also we have 137. See how easy it is? Okay, now 138, so on. Yeah, you can see clearly, so right away, instead of you look at this in box, look at this one, okay, so red box. So how to see, so which groups, what kind of data displays going on. But in this way, you can see right away, 140 group so has more than 130 groups, right? Okay, things like that. See, this one is so simple because 130 and 140 stems. Okay, but we have many, okay, stems. Then we can see right away. Okay, so actually we have no time to look at all these the values. Okay, let's talk about one more. Right here, one more plot, okay? So which is box and Whisker plots, which is really interesting, and you will like it too. Wow, box and Whisker. So now, left-hand side, that's right. We have Whisker right here. On the right-hand side, also one more Whisker. Okay, now we have a box. Okay, first of all, so right in the middle. So this one's a Q2, which is a median. Q2. So now what about this one? So you can guess, right? Q1. This one, Q2. Or Q3, I mean. So upper quartile. So lower quartile. Okay, median. So now, this is the lowest value, which is 135, obviously, 135. The highest one is 147, right? Okay. So by this picture, so you can see it right away. See? Now, so instead of all looking at this, all these numbers, okay, so we can see clearly right here. See what kind of data displays going on. This data right here. Okay, we can use stem and leaf technique right here. Okay, so just like this one. Okay, so 130 group. Okay, then 5, 7, 8, and 9. Then 140 group. Okay, so 1, 4, then 0. Okay, which is 140. Okay, then 2, 3, 6, 7. See, that way, all 10 right there. It's easy to write, okay, instead of writing 135, 137, so on. Then, like we talked about already, okay, so total numbers are what? 10 numbers, right? 10 values. 10 plus 1, which is 11 divided by 2, so 5.5, which is 5.5, okay? So now, so we can count to from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then half right there. So right in the middle, which is 140 and 142, in the middle 141. Okay, that's what it is. Or you can add 140 plus 142 divided by 2, which is 141. Anyway, this is what we call right in the middle. That's second quartile, which is right here, 140. Okay, 1. That's it. Now we can find out lower quartile, which is Q1, right? Okay, very simple. So you just count how many right here. Okay, so total 5. 5 plus 1 again, 6 divided by 2, which is 3, right? So, oh, that's right. The third one, see, 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's Q1. Oh, easy, right? Okay, so that's 138. See, 138, lower quartile. What about upper one? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, which is 6 divided by 2. Number 3 again, see, 1, 2, 3, which is 143. Oh, that's a Q3, 143. See, fantastic. And real world right here. Okay, now we're going to talk about deviation, okay? So that's the real world right there. So now, deviation. We're talking about standard deviation, mean deviation, deviation scores, things like that. Okay, now, you remember that when you get this mean value, okay, then I was using that, guessing mean, which is estimate the mean. That's right. Okay, so let's go over this one more time. Okay, mean, which is M. So then I use this mean, okay, shaky. That's right, shaky mean, which is guessing mean or estimate the mean, which was what? That's right, 140, right? So we pick up 140. That's it. Then plus, okay, so this one, I treat this one like a 2, right? This one like a -2, 3, okay, -1, so on. This one was deviation, okay? So maybe different from some real thing. Okay, so deviation from this fake mean right here, okay, 140. So now this was, you add everything, that was 10, okay, divided by 10, okay, then 141, right? That's how we got the mean right here. Now we know for sure the mean is real mean now, not estimated. Okay, 141. Now, now we're talking. So 142 minus 141. Okay, this time this is going to be 1. Okay, this is going to be, that's right, -3, right? This is going to be 2. Okay, this is going to be -2. And so on. Okay, as you see right here, all these numbers right here. Okay, so we call, wow, very important. Remember these things, okay? So these are deviation scores. Okay. So deviation score means score, which is data right there on the top, okay, and minus M, which is mean value right there. That's why each one, 142 minus 141, 138 minus 141, so on. Now, we're going to convert all these deviation scores, okay, each one, to absolute value. Which one? Okay, 1, not -3, 3. That's it. So we count everything, okay, to positive, in other words, which is 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. We add everything. This is going to be 32 divided by 2, divided by 10, actually. Okay, so that means 3.2. Oh, man. You know what? Very important. Remember this one, okay? This is what that's right, mean deviation. Remember that. So if you understand this one, see, mean deviation, then we can study standard deviation. See, standard. Remember that one, standard deviation. So we call SD, big one, right here. Even many people working in the hospital, so for many, many decades, okay, so even they keep using this one, they can solve it, but they don't know why, see? Okay, so I'm going to explain to you why, okay, we change this one to positive number, which is, what is the absolute value, okay, things like that. That means, simply speaking, okay, so you made mistake, like a real value, let's say 100, right? Okay, then when somebody said, oh, minus 98, that means minus 2 mistake. Okay, then somebody made, oh, I made 102, still 2 mistakes right there. Okay, it doesn't matter, so lower, higher, okay, that's still mistake. Okay, so we're going to talk about that one later again. So for standard deviation.